What's up, YouTube? I'm doing another video on my old 86 Bullnose Ford. If you're not familiar with Bullnose Fords are from 1980 through 1986. This one right here happens to be an 86. Got a 5.0 and I just swapped the 4-speed in it. And as you can see, it's sitting kind of low. I got a 3.5 drop on it and some 16-inch by 10 wide wheels. And today I'm putting a little cherry on the top with some retro clear lenses. If you guys grew up in the 80s or 90s or know anything about that time period of trucks, the cool guys on the block have the clear lenses. They call them Euro lenses, but I really like them and I think it's really going to add to this build. So let me flip the camera around and show you what I bought. So like I was saying, this is my 86 and right now I just got I smoked the original lenses a few years back, but that cheap smoke that I put on there was old VHT smoke. Has obviously faded and looks like crap. But I got some new side markers for it and some new tails. They look really good. They actually came with the LED bulbs, but I'm old school. I prefer the glass bulbs. So I'm not going to install the LED bulbs that they came with. But just know if you buy these, they do have the option of coming with LED if you want to convert over. This video is not a paid ad, a sponsored video. I bought these with my own money, so don't think this is me trying to sell you nothing. I'm just giving you an honest review of what I think. And I'm just letting you see what they look like installed in case you want to do this to your old rig. But anyways, I'm gonna probably start with the tail lights. That's gonna be the easiest, and then we'll jump to the side markers. So anyways, let me drop the tailgate and we'll get started. So this is a little before shot. The classic tail lights that are smoked. They looked a lot better when that smoke was gloss, but unfortunately I had a little accident and busted this one. So that was a good reason to go ahead and pull the trigger on these clears. If you break something, that means you just get to upgrade it. Well, if you guys have never pulled your tail lights out before, it's super easy. You got two screws on this side and two screws on this side, and then they just pop right out and you unhook your bulbs. So let me pop this one out real quick and I'll show you. And these are stainless screws, so make sure you go back with stainless, that way they don't rust on you. Mine was missing two screws. I'm gonna go in my bin and get me some more stainless ones, but that's how easy it is. And you just pop your bulbs out, just give it a little twist. Don't break nothing because this stuff is going to be brittle. But yeah, there you go. That simple. This is going to be one of the easiest modifications you ever do to your truck. But right there and right there, you can see the ones on the outside right there. And then you're going to grab your new one. Make sure you got the right orientation here. And I don't. This is going to be for your passenger side. Just the opposite of installing. And don't torque these screws down, because you will crack a lens and then you're going to be pretty angry. Looks pretty good. I'll get the second one in and give y'all a final shot of what it looks like. So there you go. Looks pretty cool, if I must say so. I really dig that look. All right, let's jump on to them side markers. I went ahead and pulled my old side marker out just so I can kind of show y'all better. That's obviously my old one. You can get to the little nuts from right there. Obviously, they go in right there. These right here are the little nuts that kind of screw onto the back of those. Mine were a 1/2 inch, but they go in right there. When I was backing this one off, it actually snapped because this old plastic's just so brittle. But just a 1/2 inch. Just back them off slowly, and then you're gonna put your new one in. Obviously, just plug your light bulb in and put those little nuts back on. And it's easy as that. On this side, looks like I might have to move my battery just to get me some extra room in there, but it's gonna go right there. And there's the old faded one. So let me get this one put back in there and let y'all see how it looks. There's the final product on the side markers. You can see those clear tails back there. Just a nice little touch, just to make your truck look a little more modern, I think, in my opinion. Give it that retro 90s style. Looks way better than that old faded. And please excuse the truck, it's really dirty right now. Got some new tires coming for it. And in the next couple of videos, probably gonna start doing body work and paint this old girl. But I think it looks a lot better. Just gets rid of all that old faded plastic. And they do offer clear lenses for the front, or smoked. I kind of like the smoke looked on the front. But yeah, guys, hope this video helped you out. Gives you an idea of some cheap little upgrades you can do to your truck just to make it look better. Like I said, you can get both of these lights off of eBay and Amazon. I will drop the links to them in the description below if y'all want to go grab them. And if you like the video, hit that like button if you don't mind. Just helps me out on the channel, promotes my stuff so other guys can come to these videos. And if you ain't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button. We got plenty of other content on new F-150s, boats, Harleys, all kinds of stuff. Hot rods, car shows, pinup contests, you name it, we got it. We build it in this shop. And I got one of the best Bullnose playlists on YouTube. If you want to go check that out, it's on the channel too. But hit that subscribe button. That way you can come back for more future content. Anyways, guys, thanks for watching. I'll catch you on the next video. Peace.